Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a nutritional coaching website using Shopify. First, be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go on the left to the products section, and here we're going to click on add product and we're going to start uploading the information of our products. For example, I'm going to start with our nutritional coaching, and here for the description we're going to click over here and we're going to generate a description for our product. Shopify has a built-in AI, so if you put here, for example, nutritional coaching, and we're going to click on generate, it's going to generate a description for our for the prompt that we are going to give right over here. Here we can choose whether to click on generate again and make the AI give us another description, or we're going to click on keep, so we keep the description. You can see that now it's going to appear right over here. If we go below the description section, we're going to see the media. We're going to click on upload now, and here we're going to be able to put the image for our product. Right below the image, we're going to see the category section. Here Shopify is going to choose a category for us, but if we see that it is incorrect, we are going to click over here and we can change it if we so wanted. Here we're going to have the pricing section. For example, let's say that we're going to charge around 40,000 pesos for this service, and our cost per item would be around let's say 15,000 pesos for our services. Here we would have a 25,000 pesos profit at a 62.5 margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to put that we're not going to keep track because it's going to be a service. And for shipping, we're also not going to put any weight because it's going to be a service, so we are not going to be doing any kind of shipping. Here on product type, we can put, for example, service. On vendor, we can put our vendor, and for collections, we are going to add this to our home page. Here we also have a tags section. For example, let's put here nutrition, and once we are done customizing our product, we are going to click over here on the bottom right on save. As you can see here, we have our first product uploaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on add product and I'm going to keep uploading all of our products. So once I'm done doing that, I'll be back with you guys. As you can see here, I have already uploaded all of my products. I have added a weight loss program, a muscle gain program, and a lean bulk program. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to our online store and we're going to start to customize our store. So for the first thing that we are going to be able to change is going to be our theme. Here, if we go to the bottom, we can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a lot of different types of free themes. And if we want to explore more of them, we're going to click here on Visit Theme Store. And as you can see, it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Here we're going to have a lot of different themes that can better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, I'm going to click on customize, and here we're going to have a lot of different sections that we're going to be able to customize. For starters, if we click over here, you can see that here the section is going to be outlined by a blue line, and over here on the top left we're going to see the name of the section. On the right, we're going to have a lot of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and we're going to select over here an image to be displayed right on our banner. For example, I'm going to choose this image, and once it's done uploading, I'm going to click it and we're going to click on done. So as you can see, now our background image for our banner has changed. Here on the right, we are going to have a lot of different options to further customize our sections, so feel free to play with these options if you so want. For me, I'm just going to click over here on our heading and I'm going to change the text on our right. I'm going to put welcome to my nutrition coaching website. So as you can see, the text right over here has now changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to click over here on the left to add section, and we're going to choose a section. For example, we have featured collections, featured products, a collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and as you can see, the section is going to appear right here on the bottom, and I'm going to click over here on the top right to select a product to be displayed on my website. For example, I'm going to choose my nutritional coaching, and as you can see here, my product is going to be displayed on my website. Now let's say that we want to change things up a bit. For example, we're going to change our color scheme over here, and we're going to put a nice black background for our featured product. Let's say that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, it's featured collection, and as you can see, it's going to appear right over here. And if we want to delete this section or any section, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the bottom right after selecting our section, and we're going to click on remove section. As you can see, this is going to delete the section that we are currently on. If we so wanted, we can also add sections to our footer and to our header. Here, for example, on our footer we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and for our header we can add an announcement bar and also a custom liquid if we know how to code. Now, another very important thing about our header is that right over here where it says My Store, it's going to be displaying our store name. So if we want to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes from now. We're going to exit and we're going to go to the home page of Shopify. Here we're going to click on Name Your Store. And once we are over here, we are going to change the name of our store. For example, I'm going to put Nutritional Coaching, and I'm going to click on save. So once again, we're going to go over here to our online store, and to make sure everything is set up the way we wanted, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here in our header, it now says nutritional coaching. If we can scroll down to see that everything is set up the way we wanted, and once we are done checking our website, we're going to go back to the home page of Shopify. So once we are over here, we're going to check out another very important aspect of Shopify. We're going to go to the analytics and marketing section, and here guys, we are going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and a lot of different things. For example, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of other information that is going to be really helpful for us in order to customize and manage our business and our website all from the same place. Now, lastly, the last thing that I wanted to show you is going to be the discount section. Here, if we click on add a discount, I'm going to choose, for example, amount of products. We can create a customizable discount to either post on social media or gift to a friend or use however we would like to. First, we're going to choose a code. We can either write one ourselves, for example, nutrition 101, or we can just click over here to generate a random code. As you can see, now Shopify has created a random code for us. Here we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage, and I'm going to choose a 10% amount discount. Here we're going to choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose my homepage collection. And if we keep scrolling, we can further customize our discount if we so wanted. We have, if we need to have any minimum purchase requirements for our discount, the customer eligibility, our maximum amount of uses for our discount, and also the combinations that it can be used on. For here on our last slide, we are going to have our date for our discount. Here, if we click on send end date, we are going to be able to put an expiration date to our discount. For example, today is the 13th, we're going to choose the 20th so that our discount has now a 1 week lifetime. Once we are done customizing our discount, we are going to click here on save discount, and as you can see, we will now have our first discount to post on social media or use however we would like. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.